Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree and today I'm going to teach you how to do an alternate single crochet stitch. This is my swatch. This is how it's looking. So I'm going to teach you how to do this stitch. So let's get started. The materials that we're going to need: crochet hook. I'm going to be using a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn. Okay? The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to make a slip knot. I take my hook, put it under my yarn, then I rotate it around like that, then I yarn over, then I pull through, and then I make my knot just like that. And so we're going to make our foundation chain. So I'm going to do 21 foundation chains, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So these are my chains. And so I'm going to place single crochet in these chains. And to make a single crochet, you're going to insert your hook in the second chain from the hook. Just like that. So I insert my hook, I yarn over, I pull through, I yarn over, and then I pull through, just like that. So for my second row, I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to turn my work. So to do the alternate single crochet, we're going to do front loop and back loop. So we're going to alternate between that. So the first one is going to be front loop, and so we're going to place our hook like that, insert it, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And now we're going to place it in the back loop. So we're alternating. We just did the front loop, and now we're going to do it in the back loop. So you're going to insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, just like that. So we're going to do the front loop now. Insert it, just the front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, just like that. Now we're going to do our back loop. Go in the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's how it's looking so far. So now we're going to do front. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to do our back. This is my last one. It's going in a back loop. So this is how it's looking. And to end, we're going to chain 1, just like that. And then we're going to cut our yarn. And this is how it's looking. That's all for today's video. I hope it was useful and helpful, and I want you to know that you are phenomenal.